A Forms message template defines how notifications will look to the recipient. This can be customized to include separate layouts for common devices such as email, SMS, voice, and the xMatters mobile app, allowing you to create content appropriate for each device. Let's take a look at each of the message templates associated with this send alert form. If we click Edit on the Email Fax Push message, it will bring up the message editor. This will also be the layout that will be used in the xMatters mobile app. The editor allows you to customize your text and add elements such as tables, links, and images. Add dynamic message properties simply by dragging them onto the message where you want them. The names of these properties will be replaced by the values configured by your message sender when the event is initiated. If you wanted to enter any custom CSS or edit the HTML directly, click Show Source. In the subject line, add a clear title and any properties you want the user to see in the subject line of the notification they receive. This is a great way to draw attention to a notification's importance or communicate critical information at a glance. The text message pager generic message editor is pretty simple. That's because text messages and pagers don't support formatting, and generic is designed for maximum compatibility. So while we can still have the same properties available on the right side, the editor has no formatting options. It's a good practice to keep these messages quite short, as the receiving device may only have a limited character count. In the case of SMS, it's only 160 characters, so if you make it any longer, it'll be split into multiple messages. We can see here that the example message is limited to only the event's critical properties to give the user just enough context to respond. Voice interaction allows you to build out a voice message that will be dictated to the user by a text-to-speech engine or using pre-recorded audio clips. We can either add event properties to this message or a voice action. Beside each element, we can see if it'll be played as audio, using your provided audio, text-to-speech, or spelled out to the user. We can also force text-to-speech, which will ignore any pre-recorded audio.